Open MySQL from Google and go to download section and scroll down MySQL community GPL downloads. And after that, we have seen MySQL installer for Windows. After that, we have two choices like Windows x86 32-bit MS installer. Choose another one and just click on no thanks, just start download. It will automatically start at the downloaded. After downloaded, click on the file in the file manager, double click it. It will automatically shows like MySQL installer and wait for that to install the MySQL. It take a little bit time to install the MySQL on our system. It's taking a little bit time. And just wait for a moment. It will download. Yeah, it takes 11 seconds. Yeah, after that, it will show shell another window called MySQL installer. After that, we have seen here. Just to go to custom and click on next. It will choose different servers. We will go to MySQL server, MySQL 8.0, MySQL 8.03, and click on green button. It will add it. After that, applications MySQL Workbench, and click on MySQL Workbench 8.0 and added that to the products list. After that, go to MySQL shell and shell 8.0 and add it to the list of products. After that, enter next. It will execute automatically. Wait for some moment to install all the products. Okay, it also takes a little bit of time. You just have to wait for a moment. It's showing like installing process progress. If it is installed, it will shows like green marks above like that. We have to wait till the three products will be green mark. After that, we just go to another tab and we'll set the passwords like it. It takes a lot of time, nearly 1 to 3 minutes. I just have to wait for that moment. Don't be panic. It will take a lot of time because this is the most important step in the installation process of MySQL installer. Because here we are installing MySQL Workbench and the server and the shell to run all the queries. So it will take a little bit of time. I just have to wait for that moment to install all the products to be installed in our system. It's a lengthy process, but we have to wait. Yeah, click on next, and keep as it is. Type on networking, and the port is 3306. And click on next, and also click on next. Yeah, choose accounts and roles like MySQL root password. We have to set your own root password and repeat the password same as it is, and click on next. It will go to another services. Remember this password because we have used it in a terminal also. configure and next. It is a Windows service. We have to click next. Yeah. Yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows. Serve file permissions. Click on next. Choose the first option. Okay, click on next and execute the all configurations. It will automatically uh, execute all the configuration steps needed for the installation. Yeah, initializing a database may take a long time because it will automatically create a database. After configuration, finish the setup and click on next. It will automatically open the MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell. Okay, finish. Installation is completed. Just click on finish. It will shows like another tab. It will just showing like that JavaScript simple query on MySQL shell. Leave that one under automatically open a workbench. Just wait for a minute. Don't do that in anything in that command line. It will automatically open the MySQL Workbench. Yes, a local instance. Just open command line. Before that one, we have to go to our file manager under this PC drive. There is a files called program files. Just go to that one under MySQL installations. MySQL. After that, go to MySQL Server 8.0. There is a bin section files. Just go to that one and copy the path and just go to environment variables in our system. Just type it environment variables. After opening environment variables, just click on environment variables. After that, it will shows like that. Just to choose path, double click on path. It will automatically go to another tab and just go to new tab and create a and paste the path we have copied it before and click on OK. OK on the three tabs. We created our path in the system. After that, just go to command line prompt cmd. It will open. Just type like to access the MySQL in the terminal. We have to type MySQL user root password. MySQL hyphen user root password. We have to use the password before you set in the installation process. Enter the password. It will shows like that. We have to use MySQL in the command line prompt. Like I have to type show databases. It is SQL command. It shows like different kinds of databases available in my system. Okay, this is the process to show in command line prompt. After that, go to Workbench. We have installed before. Open that one. Go to local instance MySQL. It will ask for the root password. Just type in. After that, it will open like that. The whole Workbench structure. Just go to that prompt and enter the show databases. After that, click on first or second one. It will automatically gives the output in the query section.